This video shows you change your X Twitter password in 2026 using simple settings inside the app to keep your account secure and protected. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you are inside, tap your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main side menu where all your account options are available. Next, scroll down and look for the option labeled Settings and Support. Tap on it and then select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the important controls for your account, security, and privacy features. Now, tap on Your Account at the top of the menu. Inside this section, you will find several account-related options. Look for and select Change Your Password. At this point, X will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your current password first. After that, type your new password. Make sure your new password is strong, unique, and at least 8 characters long. It is recommended to include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Then re-enter the new password again to confirm it is correct. Double-check everything before proceeding to avoid any login issues later. Finally, done in the top right corner to save your changes. Once saved, your password will be updated immediately, and you may be logged out on other devices for security reasons. Now your password is updated successfully. Keep your account secure by using a strong password and updating it regularly for better protection.